Hey guys, I welcome you all at Health and Happiness by Ranjana. In this video, I'm going to share with you few tips and tricks to tighten and tone your face with the help of water. If you have seen my previous videos when I just launched this channel, and if you compare those videos with this one or with the recent videos, you will realize that there is drastic change in my face. So I'm going to share with you those tips and tricks that help me to tighten my face. And yes, it is not an overnight change. It took me some time for around an year, but yes, the change is really worth the time and effort. So if you're blessed with a chubby face and big cheeks, that's something that I'm blessed with, then you can try these exercises and tips that I'm going to share with you, and I'm sure you will have a tightness in your double chin. Now see, mine doesn't sag that much like before, and you will even have tighter cheeks. So let's get started. So first exercise I'm going to share with you is to tighten your double chin. Now you see my double chin, it is not saggy anymore and it was really bad before. So you will need some water for that. Use drinking water. Fill your mouth with water, maybe 70 or 80%. Then lift your chin up and then just try to rinse your mouth like what we do after brushing our teeth. Like this, okay? So let's try to do that. Then you can drink that water or throw it out. It's up to you. I normally drink it because obviously that water has a lot of saliva. Why to throw it out? So it's up to you, but I suggest you to drink it. That's why I use drinking water. So when you fill your mouth with water, lift your chin up and do this movement. You see, there is a lot of movement on this portion, your double chin portion. Plus, your mouth is filled with water, so it is also like weight training for your double chin. So when you try this exercise, you will feel how much these muscles are working out, and you will feel the change very soon. The sagginess will go and you will feel tightness in your double chin. So please try this. The next exercise is for your this portion. I don't know what to call this. This is like between your lips and your jawline. This portion will get really good stretch and strengthening. So let's try this. Fill your mouth with water, this time 100%. And after filling your mouth with so much, with completely with water, your lips might leak. Okay, so if you so tighten your lips really really well, and still if you need, you can take help with your finger and just press it like this. A slight press will be enough. So the least power from your finger and most of the power from your cheeks. And what we will do is press your tongue to your teeth, hold it for 10 count, release it. Again, after a few seconds, maybe 3 or 4 seconds, again press it, hold it for 10 seconds, then release. Again, rest for 3 or 4 seconds, and then again press for 10 seconds and then release. So that's how I'm gonna do this. So again, fill your mouth with water. So the next exercise is fill your mouth with water. You see 90% or 100% what is okay for you, but fill your mouth completely, and then we will try to keep the water on right cheek for 10 seconds, then relax, breathe in, breathe out, then on the left side hold it for 10 seconds, again relax. So like that, maybe you can try 3 or 4 or 5 cycles, up to you. So let's try that. So this exercise was your whole cheeks. You feel the stretch in your cheeks every time when you put it on one side. It's really good. Please do try this. And the next exercise is again fill your mouth with water, and this time, so till now we were trying to press the tongue out and press the water out like this, so it was working on this portion mostly. Now we will try to press the water out. Okay, so when we do this, these muscles are working out because we are filling the mouth with water and we are pressing the water back. Okay, so these muscles are pressing, but they are not working really that hard, but because of the water weight, the water is pushing these muscles back, so these muscles are working really hard in this. So let's do this once again. Fill your mouth completely with water as much as you can. So these muscles are working more in this. Okay, fine. So you see, almost 1 liter water is going to be over very soon. So I think this was the fourth exercise, and other than this, it's not really very hard and fast that you follow this muscle or that muscle. What you can do, just fill your mouth with water and try to have movement in your face, and do not let the water spill out. Okay, so sometimes, just fill your mouth like this. So I'm just going to fill my mouth with water, try to press the water on one side. If I need some help with my finger, I will use that, and try to press the water on your right cheek, then your left cheek, that maybe on your upper lip portion, then maybe your lower lip portion, then maybe trying to press the water up, then try to press the water down. So try all the different movements you can do. So fill your mouth with water. was like end of the exercise, the last exercise, and in this you're working on the whole face, all the cheeks, the lower portion, the upper portion, the double chin portion, everywhere you're trying to rotate the water and you're trying to have the movement. This is also really good. So it feels good and you feel the stretch and warmth in the whole face and your cheeks. So do try this as well. So the most important tip of this video is now, okay? So when you do this, okay, because that's what happens with us when we forget, we do not find the time to do this exercise. So I will suggest you can try this after brushing your teeth, fine, but most of the time after brushing our teeth we have lot many things to do and it's difficult to spend time for this. So the best time as per me is during bath. When you're going in the bathroom, fill your mouth with water and do not spill the water out till you finish bathing, okay? So fill your mouth with water, try to have different movements, maybe you rotate the water in your face, maybe press the tongue out, maybe press the water up, maybe have movement in your double chin portion, do anything. Or if you cannot do any of them, for relaxation, keep the water in your mouth and relax. Continue with your bathing, and then when you are relaxed, again rotate the water, have movement, and when you are tired again, then relax. But keep the water in your mouth the whole time. So that is like a really good workout, because I have to talk in the video. I was releasing the water every time or drinking it every time the video, and I have to keep talking in that, so that is why I was drinking the water. But in reality what I practice more is when I go for bath, fill my mouth with water and continue my bath and continue my facial workout, and end of the bath, when I'm done, I throw the water out if it is not drinking water, or sometimes I drink it, so it depends. So but the best time as per me is along with your bath, because that is the time your mouth is free, you're not doing any other workout, you're not talking to anyone. So as per me, that is the best time, because when we have kids at home, hubby at home, everyone needs something from us. There is not even 1 minute when someone can spare us for a facial workout. So bathing time is, I think, is the best time for your facial workout. Please do try this, and I'm sure you will feel the change and tightness in your face very soon. So please try this and share your experience with me. So this was like a nice cardio and weight training for your facial muscles. So after this much workout of your facial muscles, you definitely need stretching for them. So let me share with you how I stretch my face. It's really funny, but it is really beneficial. So first, stretch this. Like for me, this is left cheek now, okay? Your lips. Make a small, like tighten your lips like this and try to move them for the other side. So the stretch is, so it works on both the ways actually. So these muscles are getting stretch and these are getting like tightness, something. There is definitely some workout on this side as well. So let's try it the other way. Sorry, I forgot to show you the timing with my fingers. Do I need to do this again? But it is almost like the similar time. So you have to count in your mind. You can do that. So this cheek is stretched well. This cheek is stretched well. Now up. What you're doing, tighten your lips and try to press them up towards your nose tip, okay? So this was like a 20-second stretch. All these muscles, not just this portion, all these muscles, your jawline as well as your double chin portion, that gets a good stretch in this. To try this. So this was the complete workout for your facial muscles, cardio plus weight training plus stretching. And trust me, after following these exercises, I have felt the improvement in my face, my double chin, my neck, and also my collarbones. See my collarbones, like they're good, right? So I hope you also feel the difference and improvement with these exercises on your face and your neck, your collarbones, everywhere. I hope you have liked this video, and I hope to see you again in my next videos as well. There are many more health and fitness videos on my channel. Please do visit them. Hope to see you again. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.